Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we all are in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate, COVID-19, domestic partners, marriage, population, and it is the deadliest crime. So basic birthrights level all destroyed and mandated and enforced and stripped off from all civilians worldwide is harshest reality, and nobody left out in the Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast candle. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for total domestic partners marriage population enforced to live with emotional torture, and because Pope Francis is Satan is proved and Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is proved, and phases of Pope Francis are Satan's is also proved, and all nations must should never have any criminal justice is also proved, and error of Department of Justice is also proved. So divorce process for domestic partners marriage population must be should be annulled, dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage. For Satan, Pope Francis only created domestic partners marriage, and by default only biological moms should get the sole custody of the children in the divorce process according to the Holy Bible guidelines, and President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence, and I Vedapriya become Supreme Civil Chief Vatican leader now, and I Vedapriya become Supreme Chief Civil Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now, and for I displayed $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate, Pope Francis created hell divorce process provided in all nations, and I can bail out Department of Children and Families later only when I become medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. Can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent, and Pope Francis created hell always look godly, holy, holy, holy highness, Republica, God of USA, and why nations populations without any awareness only worships deadliest Antichrist as God, and it is again another $1 trillion scandal. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire domestic partners marriage population slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist the Lucifer, and I sure will get the civil justice count by count to all domestic partners marriage population. Either Pope Francis should say knows what is domestic partners marriage, or Pope Francis should say don't know who are domestic partners marriage population in earth. Either ways, we won the case of ongoing civil justice for 500,000 trillion dollars finance medical compensation to be paid to each civilian times total population. So can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone. Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce, and domestic partners marriage worldwide to destroy brain nerves damages, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce domestic partners marriage to fellow mankind and stripping of birthrights of civilians, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican Code of Abuse law scandal mandate, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on domestic partners marriage population worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness in disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarch Satan's must pay 500,000 trillion dollars to each event times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I Vedapriya proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis is Satan, Antichrist created singles mandated, and I mean not singles, it is like a domestic partners, right? So it is mandated, and it's all for tax mandated COVID-19 666 mark of the beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I Vedapriya become Vatican leader now is a civil justice served. I should only lead enterprises software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign now in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist and Pope Francis is Antichrist is proved, and entire Democrat will government will faint and pass out just by being aware why USA is in handcuff mode. I want to convey I Vedapriya eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th, 2021. It can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit can help me to take care of my basic essentials. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate COVID 19 type domestic partners marriage mandated, and Pope Francis must get out of the earth now only in volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to Holy Bible guidelines, says Pope Francis must should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, and I Vedapriya become a Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum, and I Vedapriya become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations worldwide now, and I Vedapriya to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead the Medical Services Center for Disease Control World Health Organization now. Then I Vedapriya true Israelite tribe, Native Indian tribe, Christian Jew, and of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu, and I should must be the interim leader of USA now. And Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and USA government must should pay tax-free salary of $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robo, and also saved entire human kingdom precious life of entire civilians, human population, and I also proved absolute monarchs destroyed the national operations with the proof. And I also proved Pope Francis is the Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in earth. Whatever in Holy Bible is happening now, so civil justice wins is the wisdom. So I am that I am, born to save the world. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.